Hey y'all, Brittany here. I've partnered with Revlon Realistic to bring you their first ever natural hair care line, the Black Seed Oil Collection. You don't want to miss this, so stay tuned. I'll be starting with the Strengthening Shampoo, which is very rich and creamy and super moisturizing. As you can see, it doesn't lather up too much, which I really liked. I'm using the balls of my fingers to massage the shampoo into my scalp and get it nice and clean. As I'm rinsing, I'm letting the shampoo slide down the length of my hair to get that clean too. The black seed oil in this collection has omega-3s and amino acids, which give your hair moisture, strength, and shine. Oh yeah! Next, I'll be following up with the Strengthening Conditioner, which is thick, really thick, and it did a great job of moisturizing my hair. I just applied this to soaking wet hair in sections and really let it work its magic. You can see that the curls are popping. That is already a given. Hey! And in true fashion, of course, I got a little bit of product in my eye. Ugh! I'm okay, y'all. Conditioner is still in. We're gonna put some heat on there for a little extra boost, about 10 minutes or so. Great, we are ready to style. I'll be using the Strengthening Twisting Pudding to set my twists, and this product is thick as well. I'm also using a little bit of oil to set in all that moisture goodness. So just between you and I was definitely singing Beady Beady Bomb Bomb while I was recording this video. See if you can tune in. So, as you can see, I really take my time with my twists, and some of my best tips for plump, juicy twists are making sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled and making sure that each strand is coated with the product. You don't want any product missing from any strands at all. Also, don't twist all the way to the end, but try to twist your hair around your finger for a little pretty curl. All done. I'm gonna let these bad boys air dry and I'll see y'all when I take them down. We'll get to the twist takedown in just a second, but hold up y'all. Check out these edges. I use the Strengthening Edge Control and y'all, edges are laid. And y'all know me, I don't really tend to my edges like that, but I am thoroughly impressed with this. Once again, we're using a bit of oil to help keep our hands lubricated as we take down these twists. So we're just gonna unravel in the opposite direction for each twist. Don't worry, y'all, this isn't the finished product. Okay, y'all, this is where you really have to pay attention because this is where your twist out can turn to trash. You can separate as little or as much as you want, but the most important thing is to take your time. As you can see, I like to gently stretch each section and then let it separate wherever it naturally wants to. I don't like to force a part or anything like that. Just really let it fall where it wants to. And of course, some sections will be bigger than others, but that's the beauty of this. Nobody's hair is perfect, you know? Here's a cool trick. Separate your fingers, insert at the roots, and fluff and shake. Get that volume, girl. So to stretch my hair even more, I put it in these ponytails, and I'm just gonna let that stretch while I do my makeup. After stretching, separating, and fluffing with a pick, this is our final look. Overall, I liked this line. The shampoo did a great job of getting my hair clean without making it feel dry, and the conditioner just gave me even more moisture. That edge control is something, honey, you hear me? And the twist out was cute, light and fluffy. You can find the Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil Collection on Amazon, their website, and select beauty supply stores. And for $8 a pop with huge sizes, I'd say it's a steal. Love bugs, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you learned something. Let me know down in the comments. And also, make sure you're following me on social media at Teeth and Tendrils. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!